Welcome to our channel Skiller Learning. In this video we will cover top 15 must-know front-end developer interview questions. Question 1. If you want to make a web page responsive across devices, what's the best approach? The correct answer is use CSS Flexbox/Grid in media queries. As modern responsive design relies on CSS Grid/Flexbox along with media queries for adaptive layouts. Question 2. You notice a website loads slowly. As a front-end developer, what would you optimize first? The correct answer is image sizes and lazy loading. As on the front end, heavy images are the most common bottleneck. Compressing and lazy loading improves performance. Question 3. How do you improve core web vitals like LCP, FID, and CLS? The correct answer is by reducing render blocking resources and optimizing assets. As optimizing CSS/JS, caching, and reducing large images improves performance metrics. Question 4. Which tool would you use for bundling and optimizing front-end code? The correct answer is Webpack. As Webpack is a popular bundler used to package JS, CSS, and assets for optimization. Question 5. When should you prefer M over PX for font sizes? The correct answer is for responsive and scalable designs. As M and RAM are relative units that adapt to user preferences and device scaling. Question 6. What's the primary role of a virtual DOM in React? The correct answer is it speeds up UI updates by minimizing real DOM manipulation. As React's virtual DOM makes updates efficient by batching and diffing changes. Question 7. Which HTTP status code would you expect when a resource is not found? The correct answer is 404. As 404 not found indicates the requested resource does not exist. Question 8. How would you store small amounts of data on the client side that persists across sessions? The correct answer is cookies or local storage. As both store client-side data persistently. Local storage is larger and not sent with every request. Question 9. Which CSS property is used to create a grid layout? The correct answer is display grid. As CSS Grid provides a two-dimensional grid layout system. Question 10. What's the purpose of useEffect in React? The correct answer is to manage side effects like API calls or subscriptions. As useEffect allows React to perform side effects after rendering. Question 11. If you minify JavaScript and CSS, what's the benefit? The correct answer is faster performance by reducing file size. As minification removes unnecessary characters and reduces network transfer. Question 12. How would you prevent cross-site scripting, XSS, attacks on a web page? The correct answer is sanitize and escape user input. As validating and escaping user input prevents malicious script injection. Question 13. If your React app suddenly becomes slow when rendering a large list, how would you optimize it? The correct answer is use list virtualization. As virtualization renders only visible items instead of the whole list, improving performance in React apps. Question 14. Which front-end practice helps improve SEO the most? The correct answer is using semantic HTML tags. As semantic tags, header, article, and EVI help search engines understand page structure, improving SEO. Question 15. If your CSS styles are not applying, which issue is most likely? The correct answer is incorrect file path or missing import. As the most common issue when styles don't apply is a missing or incorrect CSS link/import, or incorrect specificity.